The Arrived Homes app makes real estate investing easy. Find links in the description. Arrived Homes lets anyone invest in rental properties with a low minimum investment. Invest as little as $100 and earn passive income through rental dividends. Arrived Homes removes the hurdles of traditional real estate. You buy shares in fully managed single-family rentals. No dealing with tenants, maintenance, or property management. Detailed property listings show expected income, appreciation potential, and projected returns. Make informed decisions aligned with your goals. Arrived Homes pre-vets every property and handles all acquisition and management. Earn quarterly rental income and potential capital gains as the property appreciates. It's ideal for steady cash flow and long-term growth. The app and website are user-friendly. Easily browse properties, track investments, and view income reports. Arrived Homes handles the legal complexities, offering a hands-off experience. Real estate is a long-term, relatively illiquid investment. Be prepared to hold shares for 5 to 7 years until the property sells. Arrived Homes is a great platform for hassle-free rental property investing with low upfront costs. Its accessibility, passive income, and professional management make it appealing for portfolio diversification. Check the links below to explore Arrived Homes and see if it fits your investment goals. This review helps you decide if Arrived Homes is right for your real estate journey.